what it's supposed to give, the texture. What is the texture? The texture. Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found this channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we're gonna dive into some things with this wig, okay? We're gonna be right back. So welcome back. So today's unit was sent to me by Sensational. So thank you for kindly sending me this unit. This is the Butta Lace unit from the Wet Lace collection. It's in the Butta Unit 30 and I got it in the color Beige Latte. Sorry, I had to double check. Yes, Beige Latte, and this is what the front of the stock card is looking like. It has a virtually undetectable HD lace, wider parting, ear-to-ear lace, and this is what the middle of the stock card is looking like. So here are some of the other Beige colors. And then this unit also comes in a few other colors as well, and this is what it looks like. I do like the blondes, the chocolates, and the mixes and everything. I really do, y'all. So some of the features that this unit has: it's a virtually undetectable HD lace, blends in with most skin tones, ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hairs, natural density hairline, and it shows the difference between a normal lace and a Butta lace. And I feel like, y'all, this unit was an easy slay. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I don't like gluing down synthetic wigs. That's not really my thing. But this unit is completely glueless. I feel like I did a pretty good job blending it in, you know. So I used my Fenty foundation in the color 420 underneath the wig. I took the sponge that it comes with and I just patted the foundation on there. And then I went in along the hairline with my Juvia's Place Chocolates palette. And then at the very, very tip where you can see like the lace, you know, where it's not like covered by the hair, I went in with the Chocolates palette and then I went over it with the Fenty foundation just so it can blend more effortlessly with my skin tone. And I love it, y'all. This color is so pretty. Like, this is giving me Rogue from X-Men vibes. I love the like blonde highlights that are right here and also throughout the wig. This color is very, very pretty. I think it's perfect for my skin complexion. I always wanted to be a redhead, y'all. I love red hair. My husband has like a reddish, auburn, blonde, like mix. Like every single one of these colors is on his head, y'all. Like he has a mix of hair. And I'm like, I hope our child has his hair color. But I just feel like for a brown skinned girl to have red hair, this is like the perfect reddish chocolate color. Cause yeah, this is perfect. I love this. So thank you, Sensational, for kindly sending me this unit. You guys, this unit is not yet available on any website, so I will have the price in the description box below by the time this video comes out, so just keep that in mind. It does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. It is big hip friendly. Sometimes I feel like the lace is just a little short. I don't know, maybe it's my head, but I had to pull it up just a little, but I do think it's big hip friendly, so keep that in mind. I did go in with the adjustable straps and I put it on the tightest setting in the back. But y'all, I am loving this unit. It's a plop and go. It's easy. It's beginner friendly. And there was a little bit of tangling in the beginning. Just make sure that when you brush your units, you start from the bottom and work your way up. Just like that. So you don't get like knots and things like that. But yeah, y'all, it's cute. It's giving what it's supposed to give. The texture. What is the texture? The texture is giving light yaki vibes. And it does have a nice amount of thickness to it. The density is nice and full. So your girl is happy. This is definitely giving holiday wig, y'all. Holiday wig. So let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts on this unit. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time. Namaste.